distinguished guests from DICV, my esteemed customers, many of you who have been with us for the last 15-20 years, my vendor partners, our project team, our project partners, and my colleagues who have been with us for a long time. Your presence here really means a lot to us. Many of you have again, partnered with us for many years. You have made us who we are. You believed in us. When we wanted to change the industry, you believed in us. This facility, as we open it today, is as much as ours, it is yours. And this is built for you. Thank you so much. I think this was 2012 or 13, and the former managing director of Daimler, that time he was a procurement head, Satyaka Maria, he called me to his office and he said, we are having a problem with our current vendor, so can you step in? And we were a really small company that time, but we had a lot of confidence. And we said, yes sir, we can do it. Within a month, we supplied the prototype, it was tested, and within few months, we ramped up and increased production and started series supply. This particular opportunity put us in the next league. Thank you, Daimler, for all this support. Around 25 years ago, when we started SATRAC, our factory was probably as big as this, smaller than this stage. That's how we started. But we had a belief that we are going to change the trailer and truck body industry in India. It was highly fragmented, highly disorganized, unsafe products, and we said that we are going to change it. We approached our customers and we told them that what value can we add to you? What value do we bring in? We innovated. We made more productive equipment. He could carry more, his costs were lower. We concentrated on manufacturing processes. We gave a high quality product which was extremely reliable. We supported that with a vast all India service network. And all this was unheard of in India. This has yielded, and today we are the #1 company in our sector in India.
And it's really a pleasure to be here at the inauguration of this brand new SATRAC facility. It's an important milestone for SATRAC and also for us in Daimler India commercial vehicle, because it shows the strengths of our partnership. And I want already to say now congratulations to the whole SATRAC team for making this happening, and give yourself a big hand of applause. Our partnership with SATRAC has grown steadily because it's based on shared values. It's quality, it's reliability, and it's a long-term perspective that we develop together. Delivering consistently and working transparently is the base for trust, and this has grown our collaboration over the years in a steady and successful way. This new facility, which we are inaugurating here today, strengthens this ability to meet exactly those expectations. It allows us much closer coordination, faster response times, and consistent quality. It also supports our fully built vehicle solutions, because at the end, in front of our customers, the solution counts. It's not the parts, the sum of the parts, is how it works all together. And therefore, we see that for Bharat-Benz, we exactly need to deliver together with SATRAC these values to our customers.
This plant represents a significant step forward in enhancing our technological capabilities, maintaining our commitment to quality, contributing to the local community, and delivering greater value to our customers. We aim to provide high-quality products, not only across India, but also to global markets. We will continue to prioritize safety, and environmental sustainability, while striving for sustainable growth.
A true partnership shows, especially in the downtime. And since the SOP of our products in the ICV, there were a lot of up and downs. Financial crisis, COVID came, rare earth material crisis, semiconductor crisis. So there were a lot of things which caused this up and down, but it never has shaken our partnership, and our partnership has grown over the last decade sustainably in the right direction. And that is dedication, and that's a partnership, that's a true partnership, and that shows how much dedicated and loyal you are to the ICV, and we are with SATRAC. And we are looking forward to continue this very great collaboration also in the future. That you have built a new facility very close to our plant shows also how dedicated you are, how much you are interested also in work on efficiency, and that makes us stronger together. And I like that slogan, forward as one. So we are coming closer together also physically, and that will make us even more successful in future.